Okay. Y'all guys got me working like the jolly fat man here, making screens for these square guys. Yeah. I hope y'all ain't breaking these. I hope you're putting them in and protect them. Because if all y'all hitting these, somebody's going to break the guts in one before they, yeah. Put it on before you break it, okay? Do me a favor. Get in touch. Got specials coming this weekend. Yep. Black Friday specials. Oh, man. Spike Santa Claus. Spike Claus is going to drop something on you. You know, I wish I'd have kept all of these when I started doing these. This is just from the last few weeks. 12 per pack. And y'all just keep making them. That's okay. I got a program, I got a machine, and I got technology, and I'm an old man that knows how. Get in touch if you need one. See you later. Gotta go. Bye.